Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the USB so Windows can write the recovery image. Pick an 8 GB or larger drive and back up any files first. Next, open Settings Update and Security, then Recovery, or launch Control Panel and search Recovery. Once there, run Create a Recovery Drive as administrator and make sure to check Backup System Files so you can reinstall Windows if needed. This step writes the tools and optionally system files to the USB, so don't skip the backup confirmation. Now you create the drive. Select the correct USB device from the list and double-check the drive letter so you don't erase the wrong disk. Make sure Include System Files is selected if you want the option to reinstall Windows, then accept the formatting and data loss warning so the process can proceed. Click Next and wait. The copying stage may take between 10 and 40 minutes depending on USB speed. While it runs, do not remove the drive. Once done, eject safely to avoid corruption. Finish by testing the recovery drive. Plug it in, reboot, and enter UEFI or BIOS to set USB as the first boot device. Save and restart so Windows boots from the drive. Once loaded, choose Troubleshoot and use advanced options for System Restore, Startup Repair, or Command Prompt for manual fixes. If the USB is not recognized, try a different port, recreate the recovery drive on another USB, or temporarily disable Secure Boot in firmware. These fixes address most boot or compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.